Thanks for being here tonight. So for those of us who's been here for a few sessions, Troy usually does the F# news, but he got sick today, so I took over. Let's see what happened during the last month in F# world. If you have seen the announcement, the F# 4 preview was announced along with Visual Studio 2012 beta version. And with that comes a few enhancements for the runtime and for the language as well. The major things, there are a few, but some of the big ones are now that you have constructors as first-class functions, whereas previously you could, in some scenarios, you needed to treat them as a constructor, feed them into a function, whereas now those are considered as a function. There is better portable library support for Windows Phone 8.1, so that you can use F# class libraries there. There is simplified use of mutable values. So if you have came across using the ref keyword in F#, you don't need to do that anymore. Everything is done using the mutable keyword. So if you have a mutable variable, you can just use that. You don't have to think about if this is going to be in heap or stack or things like that. Everything just works. And the major thing that everyone was praising was that a lot of stuff in the version 4 came from the community. If you check out the videos, there's a link to the videos. They would say that there are more than 100 pull requests, and they've managed to merge a lot of them into the library, into the core language and the tools. So that's a major milestone. The other thing is that there is an F# advent calendar, and that actually is coming from a Japanese blogger. So the idea is that there will be a blog post from 1st of December until the end. Each day a new blog post about something related to F#, and Dunsime and a few other people are blogging. So just follow that link. It will take you to the list of planned blogs and the people that will be blogging. So just follow that up to not miss out. The other thing that happened was the F# Exchange 2015 was announced. It's a conference dedicated to F#, and if you happen to be at London around that time, you can register and take part. Seems to be interesting. I'm not sure if they will publish the videos or not, but yeah, just if you're interested. There are two videos announced for F#. One is Lincoln Atkinson from Channel 9, an introduction video for F# for Enterprise, which is a kind of short video, but it's coming from the F# team. That's interesting to see. There's a link for that. And there's another one done by a bunch of people, Scott Walshin and a few others. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any link to that video. It looks like it's not published yet, but stay tuned. The other news that came out from the community was not related directly to F#, but C# rather. So there is a new library called C# language extension, or language ext, that gives some sort of F# concepts to the C# users. But the catch is that you need to start using C#6 in order to start using that. And the trick is that it uses the new static feature in C#6 to achieve that. And it gives you a few things, option types, much better tuple support, as well as handling the null reference exceptions and explicit type for void, which does not exist in C#, and mutable lists and dictionaries are a few things among those. That's a very interesting project if you do any kind of C# programming and want to learn F# maybe. have a look at that.
Mutable lists, are they already mutable?
In C Sharp?
Yeah.
Oh, immutable, yeah.
It's
Yeah. And last but not least, George's F Sharp workshop was done in Sydney and Perth this month. If you want to do that, I'm not sure if there's any plan to do it again this year, probably not, but maybe next year. It's a free hands-on workshop for F Sharp. You get to learn so much, and especially it's designed to get you up to speed if you don't have any knowledge about functional programming. That's a good start for you. And that's the link to the website if you need more information. And that's the news.